Hi everyone, welcome back to The Young Grower. So in this video I'm going to be planting out my grapevine that I got for Christmas. It's called Rhea. It's a pink seedless grape and it will grow outside. So I will be growing these outside on this cool living fence that I'm making. So I thought we could do a video and just follow the progress and see how it gets on. I've not really saw this way be done before. It's just an idea I had in my head and I thought, why not? Let's try it and let's see what happens. So let's go and have a look at the fence that I've built and just show you what I've done. And yeah, because you may want to do it. It's not took much to make it, so it is quite simple and easy. So let's go and have a look and show you how I've done it. So this is where the grapevine will be growing. It's the perimeter of my plot and we've got a pond there, so I thought it would be good to create like a little barrier so no one can fall into it. I was going to do my rows and I thought actually it would probably be a lot better with a grapevine. My neighbours are really happy with me doing this. So what I done was I had some of these posts lying around. So they're the posts with the spikes on the bottom and you just hammer them in. They cost me £5 each. So we got 3 of them. Then I put on some hook eye screws and then I bought some galvanized wire rope off of Amazon. That was not that expensive. And I also bought these wire tensioners off of Amazon as well, and what you do is you put them on, you screw it and it just makes the wire nice and tight. They have gone a little bit loose. But when we go to actually train it up, that we can tighten it, and over time if it droops that way you can tighten it and just bring the tension back. Yeah, so that is my new living fence, or hopefully it'll be a new living fence. I'm going to plant the grapevine just down here and train it up the centre one, and then hopefully the side shoots come out and fill it up. And then the bed underneath we are planting lots of herbs. We've got lemon balm, thyme, chives all along there, some more thyme, a few more plants. There's a salvia hot lips and there's some strawberries as well down there. I've left a gap on each end of this fence bit. There's a pot there at the moment, but eventually wildlife can still get through to get to the pond. And I've also done exactly the same at this end, and it's also a little walkway so we can come in. But yeah, this will go up here and I think it's going to look absolutely amazing. But I thought we could follow the progress and just see how they get on over the year. It's probably going to take a couple of years to get it how we want it. So yeah, why not do a video about it and share this little journey and hopefully inspire some of you to do the same. So now it's time to get this grapevine planted, and as you can see it started to come to life already, what is amazing. So I'm going to read to you the description of this grapevine that came with it. It says, seedless eating grape, beautiful, large, pink oval fruits, are sweet and juicy, suitable for outdoor and protected cropping, self-fertile. Yeah, it was on my list since I got my allotment, and I got it for Christmas last year, what was absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to get it into the ground and actually be able to taste them. So I got this grapevine from Victoriana Nurseries online. I'll put the link in the video below for you to go and have a look if you're interested in this. So now let's actually get to planting this grapevine. So I'm not going to do anything special when I plant this. I'm just going to dig a hole, pull it in and watch it grow. Well, the one at home in my back garden, I planted that 3 years ago. I just dug a hole, planted it. I've not done nothing special. I've actually neglected the plant and it's thriving, like really thriving. So maybe I need to repeat this and do it again. Hopefully it works, but yeah, let's go over there and get it planted. As I mentioned earlier, it's going to be going in the middle post, and what I'm going to do is just push the soil and create a hole. And there we go, there's a nice big hole. And I'm just going to tip the grapevine upside down. I do not know if it's even fully rooted in this pot because it comes as a bare root and the ground wasn't ready. So it has started to root, what is brilliant. But let's plant it in here. I'm just going to push nice and firmly around the plant to firm it in. And there we go. So I'm going to remove this cane now because I'm going to get a bit of string and tie it up. So now we need to get some water to give it a water in and then just tie it up, and then that'll be done. Now I've got some twine, I am just going to cut some off and tie it around the vine just to support it. And there we go, that is the grapevine all tied in. Give it a nice good water, and now all that's left to do is to wait, watch it grow, and as it grows we will train it up here and along the fencing. So later in the year we will have a catch up and see how this grapevine is doing, and just follow its progress. This is new to me as well. I've done a bit of research, I've got some diagrams that I'm following to train this, so hopefully we do it successfully. We're making a video to record this journey just so if anyone else wants to do something similar they can. I'm hoping this has inspired you to try and grow a grapevine before I start rambling on like normal. That is it from me here at The Young Grower, so thank you for watching and we'll see each other soon.